The following case study highlights a new Australian innovation, vSafe. Developed by Dorsavi, this new offering in the occupational health and safety industry assists companies to make evidence-based decisions, including baseline assessments. These assessments provide objective measurements of body movements over time to assess how workers move during work activities. Comparative assessments provide objective data comparisons made between different work tasks, task methods, tools, or working environments. Product assessments. Companies are turning to vSafe to objectively demonstrate the true effects of proposed equipment purchases before making significant investments. And compliance assessments. Workers' compensation bodies can issue notices requesting improvements to workplaces or tasks. vSafe assessments are objective reports that assess compliance with regulations and demonstrate a robust approach to compliance notice responses. Woolworths, one of Australia's major supermarket chains, is aiming to reduce the number of low back injuries due to the manual handling of milk into display fridges. These crates currently need to be manually lifted from the pallet to the display fridge and then individually placed into the appropriate shelf. With crates weighing on average 18 to 20 kilograms, this places the low back under constant stress and strain. A new trolley design from an Australian company called Rotacaster allows 5 crates to be moved around Woolworths cool rooms and display units, negating the need for employees to manually lift and carry crates. The self-supporting nature of the trolley enables the milk to be placed into the display shelves straight from the trolley. Prior to implementing the trolleys, Woolworths sought validation that the new trolley was in fact improving the current manual handling process. Intuitively, this was the case, but Woolworths wanted objective proof. To provide objective evidence to this cause, Dorsavi was engaged to use their world-first wireless technology system, vSafe, to provide objective measurements of low back movement and muscle activity, comparing the current process to the new trolley process. 2 Woolworths employees were fitted with Dorsavi's wireless sensor technology to measure movement and muscle activity of the low back. Each employee was then asked to load 5 crates of milk into the milk display case, firstly using the current manual handling process on the left, and then to repeat this using the self-supporting milk trolley on the right. The 5 crates were the same mix of 1, 2, and 3 litres and were placed in the same shelf heights. The data from the vSafe system was then synchronised to video to allow detailed review of the activity with video and movement data together. For the current manual handling process, there were 30 forward bends, flexion, of greater than 20 degrees over the 3 minutes and 30 seconds duration it required to lift and fill 5 crates into the display unit. However, using the self-supporting milk trolley, there were only 4 forward bends, flexion, of greater than 20 degrees over 2 minutes and 46 seconds duration. This represented an 87% reduction in forward bends greater than 20 degrees, 30 bends versus 4 bends, and a 21% reduction in time, 44 seconds less time to perform the same task. Woolworths is investing in approximately 20 trolleys to trial in stores throughout Victoria and New South Wales, with the aim to roll them out Australia-wide if they prove successful in reducing strain and injury on the low back. For Woolworths, the vSafe assessment provided management with material to make evidence-based decisions about OH&S and risk reduction. The results provided objective data to show that an investment in new equipment became an investment in the right equipment to reduce injury and care for their workers.